Hello and welcome to the League Schedule Maker. This tool lets you create a fantasy football league according to your preferences. It is constructed by three sections. These are settings, fixture, and standings. So start with the settings. In this section, input your team names and optionally venue names. Press plus sign to get additional rows. Adjust the settings and tiebreaker rules according to your preferences. Enter your league name if you have any. Determine the points for win, draw, and lose. Also, the times teams play with each other. Set your tiebreaker rules. Different leagues may have different rules. Set the priority of each parameter to be able to rank them later. Once you're done, go to the fixture section. You may input your date and time in this column. The other data in this sheet will be displayed automatically. Enter scores for each match. If you change anything back from the settings, after you enter the scores in the fixture section, the matches and scores will glide and you'll have to re-enter your scores probably. For example, let's delete this team and let's go to the fixture section. Not to make any mistakes, we have put warnings into this template. If there's a glide in the template after changing the settings, and if there's scores without matches, there's going to be a warning stating delete the scores. And it will be pointed with a pink arrow to show the problematic row, such as because the teams are even number, there has to be a bye and there are scores in this bye. So all you have to do is to delete these. And if you started to enter the scores of a match week and the scores haven't been completed, there's going to be a warning stating there are matches without score, and it will be pointed with a yellow arrow to show the row. Such as, let's say, this week has started to be played. Once you start to put scores into the match week, the notification will say there are matches without scores to inform you that you have to input the rest of the scores to be able to check the standings. After you complete filling all the scores, now you may go to the standings section. This section needs no input and dynamically ranks the teams from the first to the last. For the tiebreaker rule, as mentioned, you may customize your rules, such as, in this case, Northern Tan Wackers is the champion, and the champion is selected by these rules. Let's say that we're looking for the goal for parameter. The South leaders have a better goal for, so instead of points, let's say that they should check the goal for, and the points are the least important issue. So when you go back to the standings, you'll see that the South leaders is the champion because the tiebreaker rules first priority is goal for. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates at www.someka.net.